SURP, or the Summer Undergraduate Research Program, pairs students that are new to research with faculty members. Students and faculty get to work one-on-one, which allows a lot more intensive mentoring experience and helps develop the students and their capabilities in such a way that we get to flip the tables where they become the teachers. And that really becomes the most rewarding aspect of teaching, is when the students start teaching stuff to us based on the things that they're learning and discovering in the lab.
What I like most about it is seeing that additional spark in the eyes of the students when they get this haha moment of, oh, now I get it. You know, we speak a lot about theory, but when you get to apply it directly in research, now there's kind of that additional connection and realization and understanding that happen. As a mentor, it's what is the most fulfilling to see.
In a classroom setting, a professor has to follow a curriculum, but with this kind of research, we have a lot more freedom. I feel like I get to learn what Dr. Ford knows on a deeper level.
She never leaves you with the solution, but always gives you breadcrumbs to follow. And that allows me to just think outside the box, creative on different ways to find solutions.
I think what really changes in this environment is the level of sophistication of what we're able to do. You know, I'm not trying to cater to 24 students in a course lab. There's only these 2 students, so we can work with much more sophisticated equipment, do much more sophisticated processes, and give them much more efficient rapid-fire feedback and mentoring to help move them along.
And it's definitely more research than it would be in a class setting where my partner and I get to experiment, so we have to troubleshoot ourselves.
It's been a very valuable experience working closely with Trevor and my partner Tori. I can pretty much ask him any questions about the project and he'll give me a response right away and some advice on how to move forward.
The biggest advantage is being able to interact with them one-on-one anytime we want. So anytime there's a question, we have an expert to answer it for us.
When I was in the private sector, I enjoyed the junior engineers and trying to kind of give them some guidance, but kind of let them discover and learn new techniques. It's a really fun part of being a professor here, this more hands-on, close to the industry approach.